Today we will learn about rational and irrational numbers. So rational number and irrational numbers. So first of all we have to know what is a rational number. Now any number of the form p by q is called rational number where q is not equal to 0. The value for q cannot be 0. For example, 1 by 2 it is a rational number. 3 by 2, 3 by 5 it is also rational number, but 0 by 5 this is also rational number, but 5 by 0 that cannot be rational number. This is not rational number because the value of q cannot be 0. Value of p can be 0 but value of q cannot be 0. If the value of q is 0, then it cannot be rational number. Then what about the irrational numbers? Now any number having root is irrational if the number is not perfect square. For example, root 2. Root 2 is an irrational number. Root 3 it is an irrational number, but root 4 cannot be irrational because root 4 it is 4 is rational number. 4 is a perfect square number. The value for root 4 is 2, which is free from root. That is why it is a rational number. And irrational numbers always will be non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Question number 1. 2 minus root 5. Here is root 5, so it is a irrational. It is an irrational number. 2 minus root 5 is an irrational number. Question number 2. 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. If we open the bracket, that is 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Plus and minus root 23 cancel. So remaining 3 which is free from root, that is why this is a rational number. It is a rational number. Question number 3. 2 root 7 divided by root 7. So here root 7 can be cancelled. If we cancel root 7, remaining only 2 which is free from root, this is why this is a rational number. This is a rational number. Question number 4. One by root 2. So here is root, and even if we rationalize also, root cannot be terminated, so this is irrational number. This is irrational number. Question number 5. 2 pi. Actually pi is an irrational number, but multiplied here to 2 pi is irrational because 2 is not the factor of 7. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Any number multiplied with pi which is the multiple of 7, then it will become rational. For example, 7 pi. 7 pi is rational because 7 pi, value of 7 pi will be 7 into 22 by 7. 7 cancel, remaining only 22, which is free from root. So this is going to be rational. So any number multiplied with pi which is a factor of 7 can be rational, otherwise all irrational. So here it is 2 pi. 2 is not the factor of 7, so this is irrational number. This is irrational. Question number 2. simplify the following expression. 3 plus root 3, 2 plus root 2. So here is product form. So we need to split the first sum, that is 3 into 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So these two split it up. Then 3 into 2, 6 plus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 plus into plus is plus root 2 into root 3, root 6. Question number 2. 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. So we can compare the given expression with a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, its value is a square minus b square. This is the formula that to be applied here. Then a plus b into a minus b is a squared. We can suppose 3 as a term and root 3 b term. Then 3 squared minus root 3 whole square. 3 square is 3 3 are 9 minus root 3 whole square is 3, getting 9 minus 3 is 6. Question number 3. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. So this is a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula to be applied here. This is a term and it is b term. This is a and root 2 is b. Then a square plus 2 into a into b plus b term square, that is root 2 whole square. Then root 5 whole square is 5 plus 2 root 5 into root 2 root 10 plus root 2 whole square is 2. Then 5 plus 2, which are the rational numbers, then these two rational numbers can be added or can be subtracted. Then 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 root 10. Question number 4. 5 root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. This is a minus b into a plus b form. A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, its value is a square minus b square. Then here it is a term, this is b term. Then a minus b into a plus b. This is a square minus b square. Then root 5 whole square, its value is 5 minus root 2 whole square is 2. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. This is the result. So thank you students. This much for today. We'll meet you in the next video.